Okay guys, I'm Mark with Art of RVing, the continuing saga of abandoned RVs. Today, a sunflower. We're gonna see what's inside it. Hey, I'm Mark with Art of RVing. We appreciate you if you are a returning subscriber.
No, if you aren't a subscriber.
Oh. Hey guys, I'm Mark with the Art of RVing. If you are not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button right over here somewhere. It's hard to say subscribe because my lips are frozen out here right now. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much. And today on tap, an abandoned sunflower, early 60s, sitting right on the highway, as you can probably tell. So let's do it. It's beautiful. This thing is huge. It is probably 40 feet long. Man, jealousy windows. I figured out what that meant. French. Some kind of numbers here on the side. I love the way it juts out here. Look how cool that is. Like diamond plate here. 2 doors. One here. Oh man, see those beans? We used to smoke those beans. I wouldn't suggest it. Look at that. It's like turquoise diamond plate the whole way. Somebody put a gutter on it, like a regular gutter, and a light at one point. How cool is that? Look at the size of this propane tank. Looks like somebody put him an air conditioner on there, put him a gigantic propane tank. Okay, and so in we go. What do we got today? Check out this first. Look how awesome this moss is as you walk in on the step. How cool is that? And here we go inside. What do we got? Whew. Apparently somebody lived in this 20 years ago. At least that's what I got. Look at those cabinets. Those sconces. Somebody went crazy with some blue paint in here. Look at that. AC. What is this? Super Duty rubbing compound. We got a couch. Looks like somebody did some woodcraft here, built them in some cabinets, along with some curtains. But that's the original fixture. Those cabinets that run around that corner like that. There's the kitchen. This kitchen is pretty awesome. Look how much space there is on here. Look at that green sink. How cool is that? And a green stove. Check out that original clock. Look at that. Those original knobs. Let's see what's in here. Oh my. There's a skillet. That's 20-year-old grease right there if you're wondering. Yeah. Wow. It looks like they built in a little cabinet right there. Put them in a residential refrigerator. Should I open it? Ooh. Oh my. Remember those ashtrays? Looks like they're tough to get open. Yeah. Let's see what's down here. Check out this damage up here in this narrow hallway. They continued on with the paint, that's for sure. What is this? Hard one-handed. Oh, cool. Man, look at this metal. Oh, that's the air conditioner blower. And that thing had a serious air conditioner in here. Man, oh! Looks like they put a big desk in here. I bet they eat off of. Built that in there. Look at these cabinets up here. Oh. Yep. Going back to the bedroom. Check out those drawers. How cool is that? The linoleum's a little cracked. Oh man, if anything falls on me, let me know. Check out this bathroom. That is like a full-size tub. Look at that. Little window right there with a crank open on it. A mirror. On switch. Penny. Oh, look at that. Porcelain sink. Wow. And a full toilet. Let's see what's in here. Oh, check out that wallpaper. Whoa. Okay. Oh, those spider webs. Black Widow? I don't know. Look at this back. AC. Looks like the frame to electrical at one point. Looks like they had a mirror here. Oh, I must have stuck that mirror on there. In the window. There's a bed. Second door there. Oh, that must have been the door that was between here. Look at this narrowness of this right here. I mean, there's so much storage in here. Oh! Look at that. Full hanging. Put on some, I bet those original lights right there. Here we go. Wonder what's in there. Yep. Oh gosh. Something's in there crawling around. Man, I love how much space there is here. Wow. That is great. This thing is huge. So much walk around space here. And there you have it. I've lived through another abandoned RV. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Watch my other one. You'll see it on my playlist.